What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, but today I'm going to be looking at a couple of cryptos and just looking over a few charts and giving you my thoughts there. But first off, we'll glance at the overall market on TradingView's heat map and then look over a couple of cryptos. Now don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I put out daily videos, and let's hop right in. And just glancing at the overall market, you'll see that in general we are a little bit down. Energy, oil, utilities both up. However, tech in general is down roughly 1%, definitely not the best day, and small caps are suffering as well. You got some of the names I watch like Workhorse, Bingo, ChargePoint, CleanSpark, all down anywhere from 2 to 5%. So small caps are definitely having a rough day. I think it's a great time to DCA into your favorites personally, but I wanted to focus on crypto in this video. So let's go give Bitcoin a look and then look at a couple other cryptos. Now looking at Bitcoin, it has been pulling back. We did break this upward channel here, and we've been downtrending lately. I personally am watching for a break of 21,700. If we break that, we're going to continue further down. And we can even draw out a trend line here that you guys can watch. So just keep an eye on this trend line. Once we break out of it, that could be our push to the upside. But I do expect Bitcoin could come down a little bit farther. However, even at its current price, looking out multiple years, I think it is a great time to add. I can't stress that enough. Now looking at Ethereum, it has been slowly uptrending and actually recently created a new high, broke that 16,000, came all the way up to about 16,060 before coming back down, but we are still in a nice uptrend, creating new higher highs and creating new higher lows. So to me, Ethereum looks relatively bullish, and I'm okay with dollar cost averaging. It does kind of suck to think that it was literally just in the $800 to $1,000 range, and now we're pushing $1,500-$1,600. That being said, keep some cash on the side and dollar cost into the cryptos you love. Next up is going to be Cardano, and for this one, I'm actually watching for a bounce on this upward trend line. We have broke it, so it's not a very strong support, but we were trading along it for a while in July. We dipped for a very short period, just for a few days, and came back up. We did bounce off of it. We will see if we bounce off of it again. It'll be roughly at about 48 cents. So keep an eye on 48 cents. I personally am going to have some buy orders in that area because I'm more than happy to add to Cardano in this area. So I'm going to have some buy orders ready right around 48 cents. I mean, even right now, I think it's a great time to add to Cardano. But just be aware that we can break this line and come down and test some lower levels. Having said that, I feel very bullish about Cardano. You'll see that it created a low that 12th of May, 11th of May, just like a lot of stocks did. And since then, we have not broken that. I speculate that that could be the bottom. And even if it's not, even if we do come and break that, come and test that, I think it is an opportunity of a lifetime to get into some of these cryptos. Now, next up, I can't really trade this at all. I'm just sitting here with my hands tied. But looking at VGX, it's been just kind of trading sideways. It has these crazy breakouts, broke $1, came back up, tested 70 cents. I personally don't think VGX will do a whole lot. I think it's just going to continue to trade sideways, tighten up a little bit, and then some good news has to come in for this to push. We have to have trading not halted on the platform. Otherwise, this is going to likely trade sideways, even possibly downtrend. Now, there are likely other exchanges that people are trading VGX, but let me know in the comments below if you are on any other exchanges and you hold VGX, or if you're able to trade, because I assume there are some places that still allow it. However, on Voyager Digital, the main platform for VGX, there is no selling or buying of any cryptos right now. But let me know what you think about VGX. Are you planning to get out right when it's available to do so? Or are you going to continue to hold it, if given the choice? Next up, I wanted to look at DOT here. We did finally break this uptrend, and it has been coming down lately. And you likely want to keep an eye on this pattern. I think it's very likely we continue falling, probably test about 650 area. And at that point, I would be more than happy to add to some DOT. But just be aware that, recently, as of the 20th of July, we have started to downtrend on DOT. So it does, of course, depend where Bitcoin goes. But just looking at DOT's chart, I think it's very likely we're going to come and test the $6 area. Now, I did want to give you guys a quick update on CleanSpark, and I'll leave you the link down below for this. It's actually an interview with CoinDesk TV's Christine Lee and Matt Schultz, the executive chairman of CleanSpark, talks and has an interview. So I highly recommend you check it out in the description below, and also check out the free crypto and stocks, all the other stuff down there. Definitely recommend you check it out. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Just a quick crypto update. Thanks so much for watching, and take it easy.